Our last video for the acoustic speaker. So click to open it. There's all our parts that we've made. We just need to join these parts together. Although I have realized, again, I made a mistake, or I need to add one little part, and it's in the phone holder here. We need to add a little space in here so that the sound from our speaker can enter the echo chamber, because at the moment the two are not connected. So that is a component. So if you remember, to edit a component, we have to double click it. It grays everything else out, gives us that bounding box around it. Now we can edit. And I'm going to simply use the rectangle tool, which would be here, or R on the keyboard. Zoom in a bit. The rectangle needs to start on this edge, and I'll probably do it about that big. I'm just eyeballing this. That will be okay. Push-pull tool. I'm going to move that down in that way, 10 millimeters now. You lose sight of it, but you can see down the bottom corner how far I'm moving it. So I'm just going to type 10, press enter. Back to the select tool, click on the surface there. If I rotate my, there you go, I've gone and lost sight of everything. So to bring that back, I do that. Okay, let's have a look. That's all I did, that little section there. All right, let's put these together. Do you remember what tool we used? If you're sitting there saying the move tool, you are correct. So these are all components, so moving them is going to be nice and easy. But I want to adjust my view so I can see everything. Move tool. All right, bottom corner, click once, and we want it to snap to the top corner of that one. And click. Let's go to our next component. Again, bottom corner. We want it to snap above that one. And I have to adjust my view. Bottom corner. And we want it to snap on top of that one. Don't click again until it's in the right place. And there is our acoustic speaker. And hopefully we can see that little cutaway in there that allows our sound to enter the echo chamber. All right, we're nearly done. You might think that's done. You could probably edit that and adjust how it looks a little bit. You can change your materials. You could cut away corners and do all sorts of things. But what we are going to do, I think it's this components button. This it, and make sure we're on this 3D warehouse button. So we should be on this one. Search 3D warehouse. So I'm simply going to type in an iPhone and press enter. And there's some phones. So yeah, I like the look of, yeah, that one looks pretty similar to my phone. So I simply click that. It'll download it. It will insert it, hopefully. There it is. Now it's facing the wrong way, so we need to just do a rotate. So it's kind of just moving around with my mouse at the moment. So I'm just going to click to place it. Now we just need to do a rotate, which is under one of these tools here. It's under the move tool, of course. It's under the move tool. There's the rotate button. Click that once. So I click once in the corner, click once on one of the edges, and now let's just rotate that. Now if you look down the bottom right, it's giving us an angle. So of course we want to get that to exactly 90 degrees, or a multiple of 90 degrees. Like it might be a 180 or it might be a minus 90. That's okay. Now how do we get the phone into here? The move tool, of course. So that's under here now, Move Tool. I'm going to click the back corner of that phone and I want it to line up, yeah, that corner of the back edge. Ignore the flashing that's happening and place it. Now, doesn't that look pretty cool? We've just 3D modeled what we're building in class. So you can fiddle with that. You might even be able to find a model to place your acoustic speaker on a table, for instance. Save the file, take an image of your screen, get a really nice view of it, and email that file to me. Now I want you to choose a view, hopefully where you can see the kind of work that you've put into the model. So you'll have to fiddle with your view and moving things around until you get it sitting just right. Thank you.